Hello, my name is Alan Gould. I'm the Finance Officer at the London School of Economics Students' Union. We're just there to help out students and to make students' lives better at university. So everything we do, all our policies are based on just making the student experience as good as we can. Well, Aqilla is used we have lots of clubs and societies. We pay all their invoices, we take in all their income, so we manage all their finances and we just let them know how much money they have to spend. And that's how we use Aqilla. We have been using it for about 8 months. We're not using it to its full potential. Well, our last system didn't work properly, so this obviously does work properly. The support is very good, so the questions that we've had and the help that we've needed, there's been no problem with that. So yeah, it is a good system. And they're also open to us integrating with other systems, and they're helping us get another company involved so that we can make lives easier for ourselves in finance.